Gosh, man, me boring. Tootsie, it's bored. Then now why difference? So, sorry it's late. So, like, what can we do to keep ourselves occupied in the meantime? Me usually eat to keep myself occupied, but talk shop lock. Oh, come quickly a B word. Okay. A pleasant good afternoon to you too. Yuri, my spirit can't take the Monday, you know. You ever chat all the time and go in our lunch. Tootsie. World class, we are doing spellings today, and I think it would be a great idea for Miss Tootsie to start off the class since she volunteered. Me never say nothing, you know, sir. Please speak standard English. You're in English class. Yeah, but me still in a Jamaica. Spell the word dandelion. Dandy? Dandy like Dandy Shandy? DANDY um um e. I know why I e. Talk up no me can't hear you. I know why I e. Right, give me now. Moving on. Spell the word borrow. Sir, I don't know if you spell that. Try. Um, B. Boom. How the hell you ever reach? You said a B word twice. I'm not playing one not again with your watch.